Hi everyone, today's remote job opportunity is for email marketing specialist. The compensation rate is also very good, $17 to $35 per hour. However, it may vary depending on your geographic location and experience and qualification. Here the company has not mentioned about any kind of job experience. However, they have asked for certain experiences, for example, experience in strategizing, creating and implementing drip campaigns, and knowledge and expertise of emailing through ESP, CMS platform like Salesforce, HubSpot, and or drip, etc. Apart from this, you will be required to work 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time. So here the company's name is Coalition Technologies, and the company offers various remote job opportunities. Here here are some of the benefits that the company offers to its employees. The company offers most competitive profit sharing bonus plan in the industry, paying up to 50% of company profits to full-time employees, highly competitive paid time off plan, promoting quality work-life balance, subsidized gym membership to help team members feel their best. And for their US team members, the company offers medical, dental, vision, and life insurance packages. For international team members, they have health insurance reimbursement program for all international team members. And here they have device upgrade and learning and reimbursement programs. Then they have motivating career development plans with clearly defined goals and rewards. Additional job specific incentives and bonuses are also there. And most importantly, all of their team members work remotely from their home or anywhere, wherever they feel the most productive. And the company culture specializes in supporting remote team members, and the company has been doing so for more than a decade. Now let's check out about the skills and expertise that the company has asked for. Although the company has not mentioned any kind of any specific years of experiences, they have asked for someone with strong proofreading and editing skills, and the person should have ability to strategize and implement email marketing campaigns, client side, agency, email service providers. So it can be either edit HTML or work with complex filter designer logic and direct marketing and multi-channel marketing. The person should have demonstrable knowledge of email best practices extending to targeting, creative messaging, can spam compliance, responsive design, deliverability, A/B testing, and email performance matrix. The person should be experienced in strategizing, creating, and implementing drip campaigns. You should have ability to write marketing copy for various industries and or brands while capturing their voice. And you should have excellent verbal and interpersonal and written communication skills. Strong analytical and quantitative skills are required so that you can use data to develop and measure marketing programs performance. You should have passion for optimization and data analysis, discovering new insights to increase performance. You should be able to be self-directed and capable staying on track and pursuing solution without supervision. You should have a strong organizational skills and exemplary attention to detail. You should be proficient in commonly used email marketing platforms, for example, Klaviyo, Omnisend, and MailChimp, as well as CMS backend standard email templates, for example, WordPress, Shopify, etc. And you should have knowledge and expertise of emailing through ESP CMS platforms such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and Drip. And you should be available to work 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time. You should be able to maintain strict confidentiality and discretion. And if you have any agency experience, you will be preferred. So these are some of the skills and expertise that the company has asked for in their candidates. So if you have certain skill set and you can you can prove your abilities for the role of email marketing specialist, you can apply for this job. Here are the here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as an email marketing specialist. Now here you will be performing day-to-day email marketing activities, including but not limited to email email campaign setup, joining client meetings, scheduling, testing, tagging, and deployment of one-time, recurring, triggered, and dynamic content-driven campaigns. So different kind of campaigns are there. So you will be managing those campaigns. You will be creating and managing those campaigns. You will be creating and managing those campaigns, and then you will be developing and executing email marketing strategies in promotional, transactional, and highly targeted trigger campaign across the customer type, across the customer life cycle. You will be ensuring overall client satisfaction through timely and accurate execution of all email marketing campaigns, projects, client customer service issues, client program errors, and frequent status communications. So you need to work for your clients, and you need to work as per your clients' expectations, and so you need to establish and manage a rigorous A/B testing platform to enhance productivity, deliverability, and customer engagement. You will be performing quality control checks and document best practices to produce work that is error-free. So these things you need to keep in mind, and you need to troubleshoot technical issues related to HTML templates, list segmentation, and other aspects of email execution as required. You need to set up multiple complex trigger and program-based emails as well as ad hoc emails. You will be optimizing as an email marketing specialist. As an email marketing specialist, you will be optimizing email programs creative, through continual testing of creative, cadence, offers, targeting, etc. You will be working closely with digital producers and copy strategists to proactively evaluate branding, design, messaging, and functionality of email to develop the most effective email campaigns. And you will be monitoring deliverability and ensuring CAN spam compliance to maintain high deliverability, data hygiene, and channel health. You will be defining business and data requirements for email campaign implementations when it comes to building journeys, triggers, and dynamic emails. So these are specific to email marketing. As an email marketing specialist, you will be analyzing email and customer behavior and their key characteristics to improve email marketing. You will be participating in the quality assurance process to ensure the final product meets clients' expectations by deploying and evaluating test emails to a variety of ISPs. You will be maintaining email standards, including opt-in or out process, email size, HTML format, etc. You will be participating in regular strategy discussions, occasional client calls, and client presentations. Stay up to date on current trends and best practices in email marketing. So this is a list of roles and responsibilities that one can expect while working as an email marketing specialist with Collision Technologies, and they have good pay rate, which is $17 to $35 per hour people uh, for people from California, New York, Washington, and Colorado. However, for other geographic locations, compensation may vary depending on depending on your experience, qualifications, skill test performance, geographic location, and seniority of the position offered. So outside of these states, compensation may fall outside the above ranges. So it depends where do you belong and what is your skill set and experience, etc. So, and the company is looking for talented and diligent candidates who excel in their skill tests, and they will consider these candidates even if past experience and all educational background criteria are not met. So, as I said, that if you have desired skills and interest, and you can prove your capabilities for the role of email marketing specialist, you will be preferred. So go ahead and here is the application form. You can fill up the application form and then apply for the job. So yeah, thank you for listening.